All right, guys, we got the Xmaxx. New body is back on. It's all cleaned up. It's ready to go. For those that are new to the channel, this is my 8S Xmaxx. It's got a ton of upgrade parts. Just an absolute ton of stuff. This thing is an absolute beast. It has a Hobbywing Max 5, 1100 kV motor, and basically Vidavon everything. Vidavon diff, GPM, billet aluminum. The only thing that isn't upgraded is the diff gears, and it loves to strip out the rear. So I brought some extras. Hopefully it doesn't do it today, but we'll see. I also did up a new TRX body, so we'll see what that does today. I might not run it just because it's nice. I do have my Silverado, and I also have a new battery solution. So it's just an ammo box. I'm gonna run it on 6S and then 8S. Let's get it out. I'm excited for this one today. All right, so I got the body painted up last night. It's a Ram TRX Pro Line. I tried to go with like an antimatter blue. A lot of people wanted black, some people wanted blue, but at night it looks black. In the daytime, it obviously looks blue. I think it turned out sick. Vidavon on the front windshield, and then I also did the moonroof clear. So I'm looking, you can see directly inside, see if there's any problems. I think that's sick. Let's just give it a little rip. I'm not sure if these diffs are clicking. They're clicking a little bit. We might be going through a lot of diffs today. Okay, plan is I'm just gonna kind of take it easy, get used to it again. This thing has got so much power. Oh, first hit on the new body. Let's change that body. I don't want to mess this one up right away. All right, that's better. The old Silverado with the carbon fiber inside. Oh yeah, that diff is cooked already. It's cooked. That's about an 8 throttle. Thing is insane, dude. What I can get happening. Oh! Oops. Yeah, you hear that clicking? That's a diff. See what's over here. Oh. Oh no. Those are the ones that really hurt it. Thing is a beast. So much power. I have not gone past half throttle. But that diff is getting worse. Oh, body's off. Yeah, that diff is so bad already. Oh, low voltage cutoff. Yeah, these 6S batteries don't work so great with that big 1100 kV. So let's get the 4S in. Maybe the diff will last. Yeah, so if 6S was that crazy, I'm sure you can imagine what 8S will do. Let's get this body on, make some hits. The diff, I'm pretty sure, is gonna be blown. I think I'm just gonna order like GPM diffs or something. Yeah, insane. That's ridiculous. Chipped a gear for sure on that. Oh, she sounds awful. Damn it! Not even one pack. Not even one pack. And it blew up. May as well cook them, right? Damn it, dude. So these are actually, they're the Xmaxx heavy duty gears. They suck. Don't buy any Traxxas gears. It all sucks. So, I don't know. I'm gonna get new ones. Hopefully it'll work, because that's the main reason this car has been down for so long, is it just chews through these gears. Like one battery pack is one set of gears. All right, I got it in the garage, getting it worked on, and this is what always happens, is these little guys here just tear. Look at that metal. That is awful garbage metal. I've been through like 10 of these. I'm stupid. I should have just got the right ones, but I ordered the GPMs. So those ones are spiral cut. These are garbage. These are the heavy duty. I put a newer set, one set that wasn't demolished, in and shimmed it. Hopefully it should be good, but we're gonna take it out. I'm just charging up my 4S packs. I literally didn't use them at all, so it'll be quick, but we'll see how long this lasts. Well, let's see. I hope I fixed it. Sounds good. Has four-wheel drive again. Yeah, it's good. At least doing like 20 diffs, I know how to fix it real fast now. Man, this thing rips. Absolutely rips. So sick. Oh, God. Got a sick flyby. Oh, God. Woo! I tried to steer out of it, and it was not working. And it hit a cutoff for some reason. Let's check that out. I don't know if it hit, definitely didn't hit a thermal. I don't think these batteries are actually good anymore, to be honest. I should probably replace them, but that's what I got right now. Man, this thing is fast. So used to the drag car, but this thing just rips on a different level. Half throttle. Holy shit, dude. I know it's hard to see down there, but this thing needs so much space. It hit another cut. It died completely. I just charged these batteries. I wonder what's going on. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Shit. I fucking knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna fucking happen. Oh my god. Oh, that's a fucking heart attack. Okay. Whew. You guys can probably hear my heart fucking beating right now. Sorry for all the swears. Oh my god. Okay, what happened? I think this connector maybe came out. I don't know. It definitely fucking melted the battery. Thank God the battery didn't catch on fire. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack, dude. Yeah, so I don't know what happened. I have no idea I don't want to touch anything right now. But ESC wires are hot. Is my motor hot? My ESC is hot. It's warm for sure. I wonder if just a connector came out, because it looks like my connectors are melted, right? I don't want to touch the batteries, dude. That makes me so nervous. Oh, thank God it didn't burn down. Oh, thank God. Shit. Okay, new batteries. New batteries, QS8 connectors. Hopefully that Max 5 is okay. Fuck, dude. Well, I guess realistically, I'm still shaking, dude. That is like my worst nightmare to happen. But I guess realistically, like, thank God it was close to me, that I could run, get the body off as fast as possible, and take it out. Oh, that's my worst nightmare to happen. Like, I have literal nightmares about stuff like that happening. Yeah, I think it's just too much amperage through these shitty connectors. Oh, fuck. Okay, I have to find a way to get rid of these batteries, because that can't be safe. There's no way that's safe. Something touches that, we're fucked. Something touches that, we're probably fucked. But $200 worth batteries gone. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, God. All right, so obviously, Lipo fire. That sucks. I don't know if the ESC is cooked. It was extremely hot. I'm pretty sure the connectors just melted. So I don't know if that is a connector problem, if it was the battery problem, whatever. Those batteries are now gone. We took them to the fire department. They said, take them to the dump, dispose of them, blah, blah, blah. We did all the proper steps to get rid of that. They're taped off. They're not going to touch anything. The thing that I was concerned about is that if the red and the black touch, it arcs again and it's going to have another fire. They didn't fully discharge. I got to it quick, thankfully, and just ripped it out. So thankfully, it wasn't worse than what it was, but obviously shitty that it happened. But they're disposed of properly. Everything was taken care of. Now, I did notice that the resistance on one cell for one of the batteries was really high when I was charging it. I was questioning it the whole time, but then once it got up to heat, it came back down and it was fine. So I was like, okay, it's fine to run. So obviously not. I'm not sure what the problem was. I think from now we're going to run CNHL batteries, because I have never had a problem with those. And we're going to do a yearly cycle, as well as QS8s for these. At least they have a fuse in them. If something happens, pops the fuse, a little bit more safety. That could have been so much worse. This is a $4,000 truck. Like, could have been worse. But let's talk Lipo safety. Now that we had this happen to this, let's just talk storage, at least storage. I'm not going to go through charging or anything, but this is how I'm storing my Lipos now. I have nightmares about this stuff. So this is a 50 cal ammo crate, as well as a Lipo bag. So I stick the bag in here. All the batteries are balanced. I took the gasket out. If you don't take that gasket out and one pops, this whole thing is a big bomb. So at least this gives it air that it will let out the steam and let out anything that gets, if something happens, you want it to vent. And that's what this does without the seam. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Obviously, I go through my batteries. I make sure the charging is as safe as possible. This just happened to be, I think the connector melted because there was a problem with the ESC pulling too much amperage because of that one cell that had too much resistance. I don't know 100%. So that's what happened. Super shitty. The Xmaxx is going to be down for even longer now. I ordered the diff and it's something else. So the only good thing that came out of this, I just rebuilt the diff with old gears and it worked great. So I don't know, guys. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to stay safe with these. Do your research. Everything. I have. It's just unfortunate. I think the circumstance changed it. But do your research. Be safe with it and have fun with it. So if you like stuff like this, just be safe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to get this back, obviously. But yeah, have a good night, guys. Like, comment, share. All of it. Make sure you share it so that this hopefully doesn't happen to somebody else, because that would really suck. But thank you, guys.